Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. V950 HD Sky Wiper. Very windy day. Outdoor flight. Seems to handle wind super nice. Today is really very windy. I see that here is much more gusty wind, but hey, it's handling winds really nicely. It's actually impressing me with its wind handling capacity on such a toy grade drone. That is a lot from a toy grade drone to handle this much wind, man. Okay, I hope it has shot the video. Okay, so remove the camera cable. You must remove it if you want to do aerobatics. And now we're gonna do the aerobatics. So it will do a barrel roll if you're flying forward, and it will do a barrel roll if you fly forward and push the stunt button. You can see that. So barrel rolls are really nice and easy. Or you can do the rolls in every direction, flips forward and backward. Don't worry, that's why the propeller guards are for. I am amazed how well it's handling the wings actually. And that's not even the third sensitivity. Now we are in third sensitivity mode. And this one is gonna attack the wind real nice now. Without any issues, with this much wind I can still push forward at a real nice speed. was nice, man. This is nice. So V950 HD Skywiper is an impressive toy grade drone with a lot of capabilities, with a nice video shot, but you have to balance the propellers.